What is motion blur? Motion blur is the blur you see in a footage when something moves. Motion blur can be one of the most important effects to add in racing games, especially because it makes the game feel more real and gives a better sense of speed. First, import the video and drag the video to the timeline. We have two methods to add motion blur in CapCut PC. The first method is using the motion blur feature, which is on the video tab. Select the video tab and go to the basic tab, which is under the video tab. At the bottom of the tab, you will see the motion blur option. Click on it. You have 4 parameters to change the effect. Using the blur parameter, you can adjust the intensity of the effect. I will set the value to 95. The blend parameter controls how much of the blur mixes with the video. For this video, I will set the value to 80. Use both for the direction parameter. I recommend setting the speed to 4 times for regular videos and 6 times for slow motion videos. Now we will play the video. For the cinematic look, we will add some color gradients. The second way to add motion blur is by using the motion blur effect found in the Effects tab. Let's apply this to the same video we edited earlier. You can see it applies throughout the video without any control. Therefore, I do not recommend this method for getting a better motion blur effect in your video footage. Today's lesson is over. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you learned something here, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the videos and sharing them with your friends. We will meet again in the next tutorial.